harvesting the soil and he is plugging up the soil. And you can see here, even the Kannada matter, I don't know English, that's why I will be asking in the Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿರಿ ನೀವು ದಿನ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ
ಈ ಶೈನ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಮ್ಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ದನ ಡೈರಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುದು 50 ಮೇಲೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪಗಾರ 400 ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ದಿನ. So he is telling that he is studying very too much here. That's why he is earning 400 rupees daily. And he has came today to field at around 7 a.m. and it is around 11 a.m. now. Till 5 p.m. he is working here. He will be working here. So please like and share जरूर करें. हमारा फार्मर भी ग्रो हो जाए. Right, that farmers can easily see. This is today only I am working here.